Good evening, my lovely students. We thank Almighty God for His mercies and allowing us to have our next lessons. Core Mathematics Lesson 3. Today, we are going to talk about solutions to practical problems using Venn diagram. Let's look at three sets problems. I know for the two set problems, you did it in your GHS, so you can be able to solve it whenever you see it. But most problem of student is three sets problems. Three set problem, as I explained earlier, if U is the universal set and A, B, and C are three intersecting subsets of the universal set, then there are 8 regions in the Venn diagram. Wherever any three sets problem is given, each of the regions must be represented correctly on the diagram. Let's take an example. Example 1. In a class of 45 students, it is known that 24 of them do arts, 20 do chemistry, and 22 do biology. All the students do at least one of the three subjects. 3 do all the three subjects, while 7 do arts and biology. 6 do arts and chemistry, but not biology. And 8 do chemistry and biology. How many do I, biology only, or chemistry only, or arts only? I, 2 subjects only. 2 subjects only. Now let's look at the solution. Step 1 of the solution. Identify the number of students reading each subject. First thing you need to do is to identify the number of students reading each subject. So you do it as let U equals to the number of students in the class. Let U be students in the class. So you represent with N bracket U equals 45. And N means the number of students in the universal set. They are 45, as given in the question. A, students who do arts. Let A be students who do arts. N to bracket A equals 24. B, students who do biology. N to bracket B equals 22. Then C, students who do chemistry. N into bracket C equals 20. Now let's look at the step 2. Step 2. Identify the number of subjects. There are 3 subjects. Draw a Venn diagram of 3 intersecting sets and label them as shown to you. As you can see the diagram on your screen. Using the information given in the problem. Now, the diagram N, then A into bracket 24. That's where we are fixing our arts. So this circle belongs to the arts students. The N into bracket B equals 22. That circle is for biology students. And N into bracket C equals 20 is for chemistry students. Chemistry students. Note that it is advisable to represent the intersection of all the 3 sets first. Example, you see in all that where they all intersect, the A, B, and C, they intersect. That's why we're writing our 3. That's the first thing. Always when you're doing 3 set problem, first thing you must represent first. Always write it first. So that's our 3. It says 7 students do both arts and biology. 7 students do both arts and biology. Hence, the region of intersection of arts and biology subset is 7. But 3 students do all 3 subjects. Therefore, 4 students do arts and biology only. So you subtract the 7 from the 3 to get 4. Subtract 7 from the 3. Subtract 3 from the 7 to get your arts and biology only. Therefore, 4 students do arts and biology only. Similar analysis is done to obtain the other regions. Now let's look at arts and chemistry. Arts and chemistry. According to the question, the number of students who do arts and chemistry but they don't do biology are 6. So in this region, they said not biology, so it means art and chemistry only, not biology. So it means art and chemistry only. That's why you write the 6. You can see all the 6 being represented there. Arts and biology only. Sorry, arts and chemistry only, but not biology. So whenever I see a question, they tell you arts and chemistry, but not biology. It means it is what? The same as arts and chemistry only. So that one, you are not going to subtract the 3 from it because the 3 has already been subtracted from it. Those who are doing the biology have already been subtracted from it. So it's left with arts and chemistry. Then let's go to biology and chemistry. Number of students who do biology and chemistry are 8. So to find your biology and chemistry only, you subtract the 5, the 8, the 3 from the 8 to get 5. So the 5 there is for biology and chemistry only. Biology and chemistry only. Now let's get to the step 3. Step 3. Let X equals number of students who do biology only. Y equals number of students who do chemistry only. And Z equals number of students who do art only. Now when you look on the Venn diagram, you can see that if you present the A, B, and C with Z, X, and Y. The A, you see the A is called 24. 24 is for arts. It means out of the 24, we have number of students who did biology and chemistry out of the 24. So we are going to find our arts only. So to get our art only, we represent the art only with Z. Then the biology only. When you see biology equals 22, it means out of the 22 who did biology, we have some who did arts and some who did chemistry out of the 22. So to find for those who did biology only, you need to present it what? X. Then chemistry only. Chemistry is 20. So out of the 20, some did arts, some did biology. So to find our chemistry only, those who did only chemistry, you represent it with what? Y. And that's the Y there. Now let's find our possible solutions. So from the Venn diagram, we can write, solve for biology only. 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus X, that is the biology only, equals 22. So therefore, S equals 22 minus 12 and X equals 10. That's for our biology only. Now chemistry only. 6 plus 3 plus 5 plus Y equals 20. Y equals 20 minus 14. Y equals 6. As for our chemistry only. Now add only 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus z is equal to 24. Z is equal to 24 minus 13. Therefore, z is equal to 11. Now that we have our chemistry only, biology only, and physics only, that's for the answer for the question I. We said we should find how many do biology only, chemistry only, or art only. And let's solve for the II. It said number of students who do 2 subjects only. Number of students who do 2 subjects only. Number of students who do 2 subjects only. Now the number of students who do 2 subjects only is equal to the 6 plus the 4 plus the 5. Those say that intersect. Biology and art is 4. Art and chemistry is 6. And chemistry and biology is 5. So we add all those intersecting. They are 2 only. So it says plus 4 plus 5, which is equal to 15. 15, the number of students who did 2 subjects only. Now note that when solving problems, information given on one particular region may involve other regions, as in the current example. Let's take an assignment. Assignment 1. A group of market women sell at least one of the following items of foodstuffs: yam, corn, and plantain. 18 of them sell corn, 17 sell yam, and 19 sell plantain. 8 sell plantain and corn, 9 sell yam and corn, 12 sell yam and plantain. 5 sell all 3 items of foodstuffs. A. Draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the given information. B. From your diagram, find I. The total number of women in the group. II. The number of women who sell one item of foodstuff. Now let's get to the second assignment. Assignment 2. Assignment 2. Mathematics, English, and life skills. Books were distributed to 50 students in a class. 22 had mathematics books, 21 English books, and 25 life skills books. 7 had mathematics and English books, 6 mathematics and life skills books, and 9 English and life skills books. Illustrates the information on a Venn diagram. Find the number of students who had all 3 books. Exactly 2 of the books. Only life skills books. Hello, lovely students. Thank you once again for making time with me. We've come to the end of this lesson. Next time, when we meet, we will look at fractions. So we can go through or solve questions on fractions. So anytime we meet, it can be easy for us to solve fractions. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.